and I'm left here alone, not a friend, no one to cheer me and no one to say Julie will surely come back someday.
3, 2, 1.
It's a joy to know that something like this is happening here in Aruba, and it's happening for little old me. So I would like to say thank you all very, very much for being here today. Thank you for following me and my music around the world, and thank you for appreciating what I've been doing. It is a tremendous honor for me to be here. I've been around the world, I've done a lot of stuff, I've won a lot of prizes and so forth, but this prize will stay with me for the rest of my life. Thanks to Aruba, Masha Danki. Thank you very much.
The idea came up, we kept in touch for many years, we went through Julio's different moments, working on new music, accompanied him in different of these important moments that he created new music. Everything that Julio Euson represents is in this mural. His charm, his sense of touching your soul, how an artist can do that, that's something very, very special. So, masya danke, amigo. Danke. Let's enjoy the mural, let's enjoy the exposition. Viva Aruba, viva San Nicolas, viva!
Oh yeah!